Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait guys, uGigaba is arrested. Ukujabuleni uBishop. uBishop was the devil is a liar. uGigaba got what he deserves. Everyone is happy nje except uMpumi. Inhliziyo yakhe is jumping kuzebana. Is he eating? Are you eating? What is what? What? uGigaba, don't worry, Sando Sam. Wena nje enjoy the money, eat the money. Mina ngizobuya. And when I come back, angeke kuze kube na anything egameni lami. You worry not. And Felicia and I came to say, you know what, when you thought you were smart, you thought that you can outsmart us, me and Bongo together. Kodwa manje uzobhadla. Uzoba i-jailbait for the rest of your life. What's Gabriel? Hi girl. When you can go jail erumini kaNoah, or you go check out on that page, you will see what I'm talking about. Uzongikhipha la. After wena somkhiphile ngizoba right esikoleni bathi uNoah no, we understand usekhaya nemali and you guys have done a lot of contribution towards the school, but now sekunoNoah esigabhala esikolweni. uFelicia tells uGabriel because what you are doing is affecting uNoah manje. They want to expel him or remove him from that school to a different school because esikoleni sebambiza ngoNoah esigabha. Also, Gabriel, don't worry. Soon, very soon, they'll be calling him Noah the Samaritan. Aibo, Wendy is very, very happy with the big purchase kaMpumi for the land so they can build a double story. Go to Maruna is like, ningangifaki mina lapha, I don't want to be part of that. Plus, uMpumi is a stranger to me. Hey, yamhlupha madoda. uWendy lenzaba ukuthi kanjani? Tshela uMpumi ukuthi you are the older sister. Behave like one. Man, I've always prayed with bantwana bami when they win together. Manje nyalo you guys are always fighting and it's like you want to prove ukuthi who is the best and all that. I don't like that. Mpumi went to Maruna to try and fix the whole thing to say that this is not about you and me. This is not about who has the money or anything. Because this house that when you say that you don't want to be part of, it's going to be the house where bantwana bakho batokhona kuhlala khona, because this one belongs to Umalume Zakaria and his children. Wena no kanjani uMpumi wathi bribe Umalume Zakaria henny and a brown envelope awusiwa aunt wakhe or mamncane or mamkhulu wakhe. What's for the embarrassment yokuthi yena athi yena they are lying about uGabriel. uMarona kodwa uthi kubonko. Don't take this one lying down because uGabriel, we always know ukuthi nje always uhlezane plan. Kodwa ubonko this time around sithandwa simbambela kancane khona. Sanibonani. I said it on my last episode that this whole thing is affecting uNoah. First, it was Bangani Bakhe from school saying that my parents are older, saying that they don't want uNoah to be playing with them. Now the school says that uNoah is being bullied, and now they say that, and they feel like the school is no longer a good fit for uNoah. With the whole situation that happening today, this parent is arrested, and the next day drugs here, the next day this one, like esikoleni nje uNoah vele kahle kahle I feel like in this position, uNoah should be homeschooled, guys. The best option for him, because it's not like lama scandal to come to an end. The scandals are not coming to an end anytime soon because it shows that Gabriel has a lot on his sleeve. Gabriel has been married to Felicia for 15 years. So Gabriel always had things like, he was always steps ahead from them. So he had this will, he had access to this will, he knew about this will all this time. He said, nothing to Felicia, no hint, no nothing. And he says that he loves Felicia, he worships the ground that she walks in, and angamthatha in a heartbeat. Ngala uMpumi yena uyayikhandla shame guys, uMpumi uyayikhandla thinking that mhlawumbe, but no, uGabriel is no. So now, but Felicia should go and check at the picture. Lapha le picture turns out that it has Moses' last will. Aibo guys in. uMoses last will, uFelicia sakhali. What is on that will? Hey, hey, what is on that will? I don't know the whole story between uWendy and uMuzi and uFelicia. But what if uMuzi left a part of a Genesis record to Wendy? Because I said it was something. What if Mpumi is uMoses' daughter and uMuzi knew that, and somewhere laphana Mpumi has a lifa lapha kuleya will that she was supposed to get after kushona kwaMuzi, but no. Once Gabriel raised the thing yokuthi what if uFelicia did something to uMuzi, I don't know what was happening before Moses was in the heavens. But what if uMuzi included Wendy, or they had the daughter? That daughter would be Mpumi. And when my person to do a Genesis record, and Felicia made sure that no one knew about it. Felicia made sure that she paid the right people at the right time to make sure that Genesis records it belongs to Guyana and her kids only. Ay, Bokika.